The fiberglass blackout fabric is made of 40% fiberglass and 60% PVC through a special process. It does not adsorb solid particles in the air and does not adhere to dust, which can effectively reduce the amount of dust. In addition, it is a natural mineral and does not provide a bacteria growth environment. The bacteria cannot reproduce and the fabric will not be moldy. It is widely used in our life. For example, public building, gymnasium, grand theater, airport terminal, exhibition center, office building, hotel restaurant, gym, meeting room and home bedroom, study room, living room, bathroom, kitchen, balcony. Bura Blinds is a sub-brand of DLT-1011 new material which is focused to provide durable, cost-effective roller blinds material. Fiberglass blackout fabric is widely used for indoor sunshade roller shutter, vertical blinds, all kinds of ceiling blinds, Roman shades, decoration and partition. More detail please visit durarollerblinds.com.